Hi, I recently visited Galaxy Dental Care through the reviews from my friends. Yeah, initial చాలా భయపడ్డానండి because it's the first time for my kid to visit the dental care. After coming here, there is nothing to worry about because initial గా పిల్లలు ఫస్ట్ టైం అయినా సరే they'll try to get familiarized with the tools and everything which they use on the kids. So each and every step కూడా neat గా neat గా చేస్తారు where kids they don't get pressurized at any stage, and basically we are very happy with the services they provide.
హలో అండి. సో మై నేమ్ ఇస్ కిషోర్. ఓకే, సో మా మమ్మీ నేమ్ ఇస్ సువర్ణలక్ష్మి. నేను ఇదివరకు 2 times విజిట్ అయ్యాను. ఇక్కడ మా పాపని తీసుకొచ్చాను. సైడ్ కింద దౌడ్ అది టీత్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే తీసుకొచ్చాను. ట్రీట్మెంట్ వాజ్ వెరీ గుడ్ అండి. బేసికల్ గా మీ అబ్జర్వేషన్ బయట హాస్పిటల్ తోటి కంపేర్ చేస్తే సో ఇక్కడ అంటే పెయిన్లెస్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ అండ్ వెల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్. ఓకే, ఎలా కేర్ తీసుకోవాలి అండ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ యాక్షన్లో సపరేట్ స్పెషలిస్ట్ తీసుకొచ్చారు వాళ్ళు. సో టీత్ ఫిక్సింగ్ సపరేట్ డాక్టర్, రూట్ కెనాల్ సపరేట్ డాక్టర్. ఓకే, సో ఓవరాల్గా మాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నామండి. ఇది మాకు ఇంకా కూడా మేము చాలామందికి రెఫర్ చేశాము. ఇది చాలామందికి వచ్చారు కూడా ఇప్పటివరకు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ ద Galaxy Dental Care.
We recently visited this Galaxy Dental Care Hospital, but after coming here we felt lucky as my kid was very comfortable and she had leaving hospital very happily without any pain and very smilefully. So initially I was felt very tensed because of her age and the problem was severe. She had some swelling and continuous pain, but the doctors and staff here made her so much comfort that she felt it like a home. And she never complained. She don't have even a single complaint, and she felt happy for that. And she himself, doctors and staff. So I want to thank the entire staff and the hospital and management.
The doctor was very friendly, and they also gave us some gifts. This hospital is the best. Thank you.
Even I can recommend this for anybody because I am planning for my own future, my kids and our family treatments here. Because I have confidence on this staff and management. Thank you.
This is Punisha, and I came here for the root canal treatment, and it was very smooth and it was done really well, and the doctors were really good and they gave a lot of information and knowledge, and they made it very comfortable and smooth for me to go through it, and they were always very friendly and they always checked up on me, so it was a great experience. So I would give a 5-star for the service from the clinic.